Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss on the remaining portion of the active into passive voice. Active voice into passive voice. In my last video we have been discussed on the topic of simple present tense as well as simple past tense, present continuous tense, and now in this video we are going to discuss on the very important topic past continuous tense, how to interchange active voice into passive voice in past continuous tense. It is very important, so be concentrate here. Past continuous tense, we all know the constructions. The structure of the past continuous tense is subject plus was oblique where plus third form of the verb plus object plus other words or extension. We will be write on the whiteboard the structure of past continuous tense: subject plus was oblique where plus fourth form of verb plus object plus other word. This is the structure of past continuous tense. So while interchanging this tense into passive voice, as I said before, the rules of how to interchange active voice into passive voice, there are near about 7 to 8 rules. First rule is subject will become object and object will become subject. In this we will take any example. For example, Rajesh was watching a movie. Rajesh was watching a movie. So first rule while interchanging active voice into passive voice. So first of all we have to identify the object of the sentence. So where is object? A movie. A movie, it is the object of the sentence. This object will become subject in the passive voice. So what will be the passive voice of this sentence? A movie. Then second rule is according to tense we have to take auxiliary verb. If the sentence is in present tense we have to take is amar. For the past tense we have to use of was oblique where, and for the future tense shall oblique will. So this is past continuous tense. Why? Was watching. It means was oblique V4. So this tense is denoting past continuous tense. दिलेला टेन्स हा पास्ट टेन्समध्ये आहे, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअसमध्ये आहे. त्यामुळं आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं आहे? अकॉर्डिंग टू टेन्स वी हॅव टू टेक अ ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब. सो दिस इज इन द सिंग्युलर. The given subject is in the singular form. That's why we will take was. A movie was. Then for continuous tense, that may be present continue, that may be past continue. For continuous tense we must have to use being. We must have to use being where before main verb. Where before मेन वर्ब. मेन वर्बच्या पूर्वी आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं आहे? बीइंग घ्यायचं आहे. BEING being. Then in passive voice मेन वर्ब should be in the third form. मुख्य क्रियापद हे पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइसमध्ये तिसऱ्या रूपातच असते, पास्ट पार्टिसिपलमध्येच त्याला करावंचं असते. अ मूवी वॉज बीइंग वॉच्ड. A movie was being watched. Then take a preposition by and take a possessive case of the subject if the subject is in pronoun form. But Rajesh, it is a noun, so write down noun as it is. Rajesh. So this sentence has become the passive voice of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Rajesh was watching a movie and we have made this into passive voice. A movie was being watched by Rajesh. I hope so you have been understood. So you may practice more sentences from your textbook. So friends, we will make this structure into negative, verbal verbal negative, WH and WH negative also. So let's take example of the negative. How to make negative sentence? There is a structure also. We will write down the structure. Subject plus was oblique where plus not plus fourth form of verb plus object plus other word. This is the structure of past continuous tense negative. So while interchanging this structure into passive voice, so what will we do? We will take object of the sentence, which will become subject object, then was oblique where plus not plus being plus third form of verb plus other word plus conjunction by plus subject. So this is the structure of negative. In negative, how to interchange active voice into passive voice in past continuous tense. This is the structure of passive of negative past continuous tense. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेन्समधील वाक्याला निगेटिव्हमध्ये पॅसिव्हाइज कसं करायचं त्याची ही दिलेली स्ट्रक्चर आहे. लेट्स कम विथ एक्झाम्पल. वी विल टेक एक्झाम्पल नाऊ. they achieve ACHIEVE they achieve a nice job. They achieve a nice job. So it will become in negative. They were achieving a nice job. So this has become past continuous tense. And what will be the negative of this sentence? We will apply directly not here according to this structure. This is the structure of passive voice in negative. This is the structure of passive voice in negative. So while interchanging this sentence into passive voice, we have to apply the formula. We have to apply this structure. With this structure, we can interchange active into passive. So this is the sentence of past continuous tense in negative. They were not achieving a nice job. So according to the structure, first of all we will take object of the sentence, a nice job. A nice job was. According to tense, we have to take an auxiliary verb. Why we have taken was? Because a nice job. तुम्हाला एखादी प्रश्न पडू शकते की दिलेल्या सेंटेन्समध्ये तर वेअर आहे सर आणि इथे वाज का बरं. बट दे इट इज इन द प्लुरल फॉर्म. दे इट मीन्स प्लुरल. ते मीन्स ऑल. सो इट इज इन द प्लुरल फॉर्म. दॅट्स वाय वी हॅव अप्लाइड हिअर वेअर. बट अ नाईस जॉब इट इज इन द सिंग्युलर फॉर्म. दॅट इज वाय वी विल टेक वाज. देन नॉट इज कंपल्सरी बिकॉज वी आर मेकिंग दिस सेंटेन्स इंटू निगेटिव्ह. A nice job was not being achieved. For continuous tense, don't forget to use of being before main verb, and achieving become achieved. ACHIEVED, achieved by them. And if the given subject is in the pronoun form, so take a possessive case of the subject. So what will be the possessive case of they? Them. They will become them. So this has become a nice job was not being achieved by them. If you want to take a screenshot from the screen, you can take. So friends, we will interchange past continuous tense in the verbal structure. So what is the verbal structure of past continuous tense? We will write down the structure here first of all. The structure of past continuous tense was oblique where. This is the auxiliary verb and verbal sentence should have to start. We should start verbal constructions with the auxiliary verb, and at the last of the sentence don't forget to apply question mark. So was oblique where plus subject. Then take a fourth form of verb, then object, and then other word. This is the structure for active voice in verbal. Active voice in verbal kind of sentence. So while making verbal kind of sentence into passive voice, so the same rule will be applied. First of all, we will start with was oblique where plus object plus was oblique where plus object plus we can take third form of verb, means for example we will write she was plucking a flower, plucking a flower. So what will be the structure of this? First of all we will take was oblique where for the object, then third form of verb, we will take being for the continuous tense, was oblique where plus object plus being plus third form of verb plus other words plus object plus by plus subject plus question mark. So this is the structure for the past continuous tense in verbal. Was oblique where plus object plus being plus third form of verb plus other word plus by plus subject plus question mark. This is the structure for the passive voice. So while interchanging any sentence into passive voice, we will take any example. Sahil was denying a truth. So this is the simple structure of past continuous tense. So while making interrogative, in the verbal form, was Sahil denying a truth? Question mark. Don't forget to write down here question mark because the given sentence is in the verbal type. Was Sahil denying a truth? So while making this sentence into passive voice, according to the object we will take an auxiliary verb. If it is in the singular, apply here was, and if it is in the plural, apply where. So given object is in the singular form, that's why we will take directly was. Then object which will become subject, a truth, was a truth. Then write down directly being, because given sentence is in the continuous tense. So use of being before main verb. Was a truth being denied. There is no extension or other word, that is why we will directly write down here by. Other word is not available in the sentence, that is why we will directly take a preposition and we will take the possessive case of the subject if the subject is in pronoun form, but given subject it is in the noun. That is why we will write here Sahil as it is and applied there question mark. Don't forget to write down question mark at the end of the sentence. So this has become the verbal type of sentence. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. So friends, we are going to discuss the another constructions, that is verbal negative. How to interchange active voice into passive voice in verbal negative. We will go through the example. We were giving a notice. This is a simple structure for the past continuous tense. We were giving a notice. So while interchanging this sentence into verbal negative, how to make this verbal? So according to the rule, we will take first of all auxiliary verb of the given sentence. We have already given in the sentence, so we will apply it here where. Then take a subject, where we giving a notice, question mark, where we giving a notice. So in this sentence we have been watched where we giving a notice, and at the last of the sentence we have been applied here question mark. So this has become the verbal negative of the past continuous tense. Verbal negative of the past continuous tense, and while interchanging this construction into passive voice, so the structure is in front of you, structure is on the screen. First of all, we will apply was oblique here. For singular apply why was, and for plural applied where. singular साठी was घ्यायचा, प्लुरल साठी where घ्यायचा. त्यानंतर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेन्स घ्यायचा आहे, सेंटेन्स मध्ये दिलेलं ऑब्जेक्ट घ्यायचं आहे. त्यानंतर फॉर निगेटिव्ह डोंट फॉरगेट टू राईट डाऊन नॉट घेणं हे कंपल्सरी आहे. त्यानंतर कोणत्याही कंटिन्युअस टेन्ससाठी, मग तो प्रेझेंट असो पास्ट असो, मी याआधीसुद्धा तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे, तर त्याला बीइंगचा वापर करायचाच आहे. त्यानंतर पॅसिव्ह वॉइसच्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन्समध्ये मग दिलेलं व्हर्बचं फॉर्म हे कोणत्याही फॉर्ममध्ये असो, फर्स्ट असो, सेकंड असो, थर्ड असो की फोर्थ असो, पण पॅसिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये त्याला फक्त आणि फक्त थर्ड फॉर्ममध्येच कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. त्यानंतर प्रेपोजिशन बायचा कंपल्सरी वापर करायचा आहे. कधी कधी जर समजा सब्जेक्ट ओमिटिंग असेल, सब्जेक्ट जर घ्यायचा नसेल तर नाही केलं तरी चालेल. जसं ही हॅज बीन सेड बाय मी असं वगैरे लिहिलं नाही तरी त्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन्सला काही फरक पडणार नाही, परंतु रूल आहे त्यामुळं मी तुम्हाला सांगत आहे. यूज ऑफ प्रेपोजिशन बाय अँड देन टेक अ सब्जेक्ट. जो ऑब्जेक्ट असते तो सब्जेक्ट करायचा, सब्जेक्ट असेल त्याला ऑब्जेक्ट करायचं. त्यानंतर क्वेश्चन मार्क लिहिणं हे कंपल्सरी आहे. जर तुम्ही क्वेश्चन मार्क लिहिणं विसरले तर तुमचा 1 मार्क गेला. त्याच्यामुळं डोकं ठिकाणावर ठेवूनच तुम्हाला ह्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन्समध्ये चेंज करायचं आहे. इथे साधं पंच्युएशन जरी इकडे तिकडे झालं तरी तुम्हाला मिळणारा मार्क मिळणार नाही, कारण इथे रिटेकचा मुका मिळणार नाही. शेवटी जे क्वेश्चन मार्क आहे ते क्वेश्चन मार्क लिहिणं अत्यंत गरजेचं आहे. कुठे? व्हर्बल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्समध्ये आणि WH कन्स्ट्रक्शन्समध्ये. अंडरस्टँड? सो वी विल गो थ्रू द एक्झाम्पल. वी हॅव बीन कन्वर्टेड. We were giving a notice, it is a past continuous tense, and we have made verbal negative of this sentence where we giving a notice. So while interchanging this sentence into passive voice according to the structure was oblique where, so a notice it is in the singular form, that is why we will take directly was. No doubt we will directly take was. Then was a notice, was a notice. For negative don't forget to apply not. Was a notice not being given by us and question mark. Was a notice not being given by us question mark. So this is the passive voice of the verbal negative of past continuous tense. I think you have been understood. We will take next example for the WH type. How to interchange active voice into passive voice in WH type. So we will write down here structure. First of all, we will write, सर्वप्रथम आपल्याला स्ट्रक्चर लिहून घ्यायची आहे. ती स्ट्रक्चर आहे why was she making a noise. A noise. Why was a noise? Why was a noise being made by her? So what will be the structure? First of all, we will write down WH plus was oblique where plus subject plus fourth form of verb plus object plus other word plus question mark. This is the simple structure of WH type of question in past continuous tense. This is the structure for WH type of question in past continuous tense. Past continuous चं हे WH चं स्ट्रक्चर आहे. याला जर पॅसिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये जर कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे, पॅसिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये जर या स्ट्रक्चरला जसंच्या तसं टाकायचं आहे तर एक वेगळी स्ट्रक्चर लिहून घेऊया आपण. WH जसंच्या तसं लिहून घ्या. त्यानंतर दिलेल्या वाक्याच्या ऑब्जेक्टनुसार, दिलेलं वाक्य कोणतं आहे? वाय वॉज शी मेकिंग अ नॉईज. अ नॉईज हा सिंग्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये आहे, तर यानुसार काय घ्यायचं आपल्याला? वाज ऑब्लिक वेअर घ्यायचं आहे. वाज ऑब्लिक वेअर. देन बीइंग इज कंपल्सरी फॉर द कंटिन्यूस. डोंट फॉरगेट बीइंग हे घेणं कंपल्सरी आहे. वाय वाज ऑब्लिक वेअर प्लस बीइंग प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब क्रियापदाचं तिसरं रूप प्लस जर वाक्यात अदर वर्ड असेल तर लिहून घ्या, अदरवाईज राईट डाऊन प्रिपोजिशन बाय अँड टेक सब्जेक्ट प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर of WH in passive. This is structure for the passive voice of past continuous tense in WH type. So while interchanging this type of sentence into passive voice, so already on the screen you are watching a sentence, why was she making a noise? Why was she making a noise? Question mark. So this is the structure of active voice. This is the structure of active voice. While making or while interchanging this structure into passive voice, so already I have made this sentence into passive voice. Passive voice मध्ये ऑलरेडी आपल्याला स्क्रीनवरती एक सेंटेन्स दिसत आहे. Why was a noise being made by her? या स्ट्रक्चरप्रमाणे आपल्याला WH घ्यायचं होतं, ते WH आपण घेतलेलं आहे. त्यानंतर वाज ऑब्लिक वेअर दोनपैकी एक घ्यायचं आहे, परंतु आपल्याला बघून घ्यायचं आहे की दिलेला ऑब्जेक्ट जो आहे तो कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये आहे, सिंग्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये आहे की प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये आहे. जर सिंग्युलर असेल तर वाज घ्या, प्लुरल असेल तर वेअर घ्या. वाय वाज, त्यानंतर मग जो ऑब्जेक्ट आहे ॲक्टिव्ह वॉइसमध्ये त्याला सब्जेक्ट बनवा. वाय वाज अ नॉईज, कंटिन्युअस टेन्ससाठी बीइंग आहे, बीइंग ॲज इट इज आपल्याला घ्यायचं आहे. त्यानंतर मेकिंग हॅज मेड इंटू थर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स मेड. मेड हॅज, इट इज अ पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ मेक. It is a past participle of make. So made, there is no extension, there is no other word, that is why directly we have applied here by. And then जर दिलेलं सब्जेक्ट किंवा दिलेला सब्जेक्ट हा प्रोनाउन फॉर्ममध्ये असेल तर त्याची कोणती केस घ्यायची आहे, पॉसेसिव्ह केस घ्यायची आहे. तर आपण शीला काय केलं आहे, हर. शी मेकिंग बाय हर अँड क्वेश्चन मार्क फॉर द WH टाईप. So this is all about how to interchange active voice into passive voice of WH. So the next sentence we will take of the WH negative. How to interchange WH negative in past continuous tense. The structure we are going to write here. WH plus was oblique where plus not. Plus not. We will write not here. Then subject. Then fourth form of verb. Then object, then other word, and at the last of the sentence don't forget to write question mark. So what will be the passive structure of WH? WH plus was oblique where plus here object, object plus not plus being plus third form of verb plus other word plus by plus subject plus question mark. This is the structure for the past continuous tense. We will take another example here. Why was not, why was she, why was she not attending a party? Question mark. Why was she not attending a party? Why was she not? Why was she not attending a party? So given structure of the WH type, we will interchange this structure into passive voice according to the given structure. The given structure is WH plus was oblique where plus object plus not plus being plus third form of verb plus other word plus by plus subject plus question mark. So this is the structure. We will write down WH first of all. So why is given, why as it is we will be write. Then we will write down subject. What is the object of the sentence? A party. Object of the sentence is a party which will become subject. Why a party? Why was a party? Then object we have written Then for negative, write not. Write down not. Why was a party not? For continuous tense, use of being. Don't forget. Why was a party not being attended will transfer into attended. The third form of verb attended. Why was a party not being attended by her? By her. So this is the structure of passive voice of WH negative in past continuous tense. I hope so you have been understood. If you want to take a screenshot from the screen, you can take. Thank you very much.